Do you want an app for your business and sell online? Look no further than Busyness App. Busyness App offers fully customizable e-commerce app for your business. Modify the app to reflect the look and feel of your brand and seamlessly manage your business from all-in-one dashboard. You can add unlimited products, sell to unlimited customers, run promotions, track order status and deliveries, one-on-one chat with customer, track money, add employees and assign tasks. We ain't done yet. We have many more features to help you seamlessly run your online business. We have Readymade apps for every local business. And over 500 business already launched their apps and selling online with our help. What are you waiting for? Launch your business app super fast today with Busyness App.